How to fit image to shape in Photoshop. That's what I'm going to show you in this video, how you can fit image into a circle, into just a shape in Photoshop. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second, because I know your time is valuable. So let's start with this tutorial. New folder. Here I'm going to go with this resolution, and now here I have a file. Where is it? Should be here. Here, and then this one. And it is transparent, I believe. Yeah, it is transparent. So how, actually, let's add some solid. Unlock this. And let's go here and solid background. I'm gonna add this white right over here. And here you might ask why there is a transparent. Have you had like any goal, any motives? And here is a reason. You gotta import image without with a transparent background if you want this to work. So remember that if you want this to work, make sure you import a transparent background. Now what can I do here is I'm just gonna grab this image here, position this image here. So move this, wait 1 second. So I have this image here. I'm gonna move the image on top. And now to really crop this image inside a picture, inside this shape, you can just hold Option or Alt if you're on Mac, and voila, it's like you're using basically clipping mask. That's what we're using here. So yeah, now you can resize, you can still change, and it looks pretty nice, But what if you, let's say I have this, I can remove this if you hold Alt again. Just remember to use a transparent background there. And now I have this circle here. So I have this circle. I'm gonna change this to this circle. I'm gonna hold Shift, and I'm gonna go like this. And now here, actually, make sure you're on the right layer. And then if I click on here, this is what it's going to happen. You're cropping this in a circle. You basically have this image inside a circle. Now that's what we want basically. So now we can maybe copy merged and paste and place. And now we have this here, and the other one, we have this circle here. Now, so another thing, now here maybe you're looking for some shapes. Well, what you can do, if you actually head over here to window and you go a little bit down here, you should find shapes. If you click on it here, you're gonna be able to find a lot of shapes. So here we have different shapes available for you: animals, leaves, flowers. I'm gonna go with this shape. Now I have this shape here, as I showed you before. Now I have also this image here. Now all I have to do is just to use pretty much clipping mask, hold Option, and I have this image inside this shape. And that's pretty much how you add an image, inside a shape. But what if you want to add some text? So here Here we have some text, so I can write here something, and then I usually like this impact. Okay, now I have this text here, and now also have the image I used previously. If I hold Control, as you can see, I have this text and this image inside this text. So yeah, it's quite simple. So I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.